Hi everyone, if you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one. So as we all know, it was the 95th Academy Awards and Rihanna was in attendance. Ahead of her performance of Lift Me Up, the pregnant Best Original Song nominee flaunted her baby bump in a custom chocolate colored ALAԻA leather dress layered atop a matching bodysuit. Take a look.
How's the voice? Of course it is. There you go.
Hi, how are you?
As you can see, Rihanna was among the best dressed at this award. Let me know if you guys want me to do more content surrounding Rihanna, and I will gladly do so. If you reach the end of this video, thanks for the likes, subscribe, shares, comments. See you in the next one. I'm out.